All right, so here is my CLI project, and mine is based on Brewery Locator. I'm going to start by going over my README. Basically, it's welcoming whoever's using it, stating that it's a Ruby gem and it uses a command line interface to provide a list of breweries in different states as per the Open Brewery DB website. So I start my program by going into my bin file. In breweries here, it's my executable file, which leads me down to my brewery's CLI class. And basically what that's doing is it's calling my greeting method here, which is putting out a welcome to my user saying, welcome to the brewery CLI. And it's basically calling these methods that I'm going to be using throughout my program. So basically where we start is by we want to get the brewery locations. So we are going to call on the get brewery locations method, which is then going to bring us to our API class, where we're going to get all of our data from the website that we made an API call to. And in our gather data method, we're going to go through the data that we got from our API, and we're going to basically pick through it, parse through it. We're going to get the attributes and information that we want, which in my case is the name and the state. The name being the name of the brewery and the state in which the brewery is in. So then I'm going to get the user location, and basically that is going to have my user input what location they want to get a list of breweries for. And I also put in here, if they don't pick something from the list, it's going to give them an invalid entry. Please enter a number from the list. And then it's going to go back and run it over again for them to pick a valid option. So from there, I go to next action. And what that is going to do is it's going to get my user input, and it's going to have them either, so when it's not equaling exit, it's going to have them type in the main menu to return to see a list of breweries in another state, or they can also type exit to exit the program. And if they do decide to run through it again, they can select another state. And if they do not, they can hit exit, and we see them out by saying thank you for using the brewery CLI. So I will just kind of run through and kind of show my code working here real quick. So here I'm running my bin file. Going to put out our list of states. They are in alphabetical order, and there is no duplicates. So I'm going to pick where I'm at. I'm going to pick Colorado, which is state number 3. So here it shows me out of the data that we had a list of breweries for Colorado. So if the user wants to go back to the main menu, it will bring us back and we do start it over again. If I pick something that is not on my list, it will say invalid entry, please enter a number from the list. Now, if my user just wants to exit, we type exit and it sees them out. So that is my brewery's CLI. I look forward to going over it with whoever I get a chance to work with next week. I appreciate you taking the time to look at my video. Thank you.